I'm using this to correct a little situation I've got going on here, and the same thing here. Let's get this discolored. Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow. Have this in shade 44Y. I'm gonna put a little at the back of my hand, like 2 pumps. I'm gonna use a brush to pick it up. Little too yellow undertone. I'm gonna go in stamping motion like that. That's like and then bring it to the under eyes. I'm gonna use Fenty Matchstick Contour Stick. This is in shade Ebony. Now let's start blending from the high point of the cheek area in stamping motion. And yeah, this is nicely contoured and natural. I'm gonna take the cream blush from the Diamond and Blush palette and to use the OG makeup that I have, so yeah. Let's place this one here. Don't forget to bring it to the under eyes. Don't forget the nose area. Taking a sponge and go over the blush shade in stamping motion, gently trying not to get rid of all of it before the concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow. This is in shade 40. Taking the foundation brush and going in stamping motion from the forehead. I'm gonna use the highlighter stick, put a little on my nose area. Pack the concealer brush with no additional products, and I go in stamping motion, sponge, and go, just to get it to look a bit more blended and agreeable. I'm gonna use the Easy Bake setting powder. Let's get the eyebrows out of the way. I'm going to use Essence Super Last 24 Hours Eyebrow Pencil. Let's quickly do quick eye look. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Obsession palette. This is the chocolate brown. Let's take this shade. I'm going to dab this all over the eyelid. The same brush, I'm going to take this shade, blend this back and forth at the crease line. They seems to have almost the same undertone. One is a bit warmer and the other is like much. Okay, blend this back and forth at the high point of the upper crease in circular motion to the inner corner. The same brush, I'm going to take the darker shade and I'm placing this at the outer V in stamping motion and gently blend it to the upper crease and slowly fade it into the inner corner back and forth. I'm going to use this eyeliner. This is from Essence. I'm taking back the darker shade and blend it over the liner. I don't want to use black eyeshadow, but I want something darker than the brown shadow. So yeah, I'm going to use this shade and place it at the center of the lid. I'm going to take the darker shade and place it at the outer V and blot this into the bronze shimmer. Take this shade to the inner corner. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild liquid liner. Running out of time, so let's put on lashes and call it a day. Okay, the mascara won't poke my eyes, so it's making my eyes too red. Alright, I'm running out of time, so I'll call it a day.